All right, so I'm going to give you this now you try problem. I would pause the video here, try each of these questions on your own, and then play on the video when you're ready. So we're going to identify the hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent sides for each of these right triangles that are shown. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to label the hypotenuse on both, because again, if we're looking at the acute angle in the right triangle, meaning not the right angle, then the hypotenuse cannot be the adjacent or the opposite. So hypotenuse. And I know what the hypotenuse is because it is the longest side of the right triangle, and it is across from or opposite from that right angle. So now that I've done that on both, I'm going to look at each reference angle. So angle R, I'm just going to put a theta there. Again, you don't have to do that. So across from or opposite of angle R is QP. I'm going to use OPP for opposite. And then next to or adjacent to angle R, must be touching angle R, is QR. I'm then going to look at my other example here. Ooh, I think I picked orange again. All right, so here's angle F. I'm going to put a theta there or make that clear that that's the reference angle I'm using. So opposite or across from that would be DE. And so next to, adjacent to, touching that angle F, which is not the hypotenuse, is FD.